Akifak, ikaw wana shum. Ingena en finen awai kat awan kors lamal tolu ingena ikan Friday evening you're in Hawaii. This is the 2nd of June 2023. You're in Hawaii, 6:54. 6 more minutes until 7 o'clock. Ngaki pang-assume ngaki fakulamala mshinkat ki maulash karanginya ko dal mail kolma mola komniki pelchingi niki awshingi. I hope this finds you in good health. Also, hey, I wanted to send my greetings to my fellow Marines, fellow Raiders, Bravo Raiders. Man, I wish I was there in Nashville. I was there last year, September last year. So I know you guys are having fun. It's just I missed out on that, man. I hope eventually me and the rest of the Marines are able to join you guys there. So, or wherever venue you guys is at, we'll be we'll be able to get together again. But sincerely, just enjoy and stay safe, guys. Get crazy, but not too crazy. Hey, I saw Mike, I saw Top, I saw Nipsey, I saw Kenny Wen, and all the other Marines. I like to send my greetings and wish you guys the best and enjoy, guys. At the same time, be safe. Ngala na engan lang ako yung taga wikum tel ki me kasi laman yok kada supin me taga lako broadcast lak ng sham ki me issue siya mga ipel siya med pretty much directly involved ke naki-fought siya mayroon ng but before we proceed on, I'm gonna nasilay ko nun sugo katagani Braille na katfa first na bitki me broadcasting. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and share the world clock, different time zones, especially Federal States of Micronesia, Guam, and Guam and Chuuk, 20 hours ahead of Hawaii. So today's Friday, Guam and Chuuk are Saturday 2:57 in the afternoon. KOSRAE and Mutunte, same thing. Saturday 3:57 in the afternoon. Kora Palau, Saturday 1:57 in the afternoon. Nashville, Tennessee, 3 more minutes until midnight. Friday night, 3 more minutes. Now it's 2 more minutes until midnight. Seattle, Washington, 9:58 Friday night. Dallas, same thing. Dallas and Nashville, 2 more minutes until midnight. Dallas and Nashville, Tennessee, Kwajalein and the Marshall Islands and Nauru, the beautiful island of Nauru. Saturday, 4:58 in the afternoon or early evening. Honolulu, Hawaii, once again, June 2nd, 2023, 6:58. Friday night, Denver, Colorado, 10:58 Friday night. I want to wish everyone beautiful and safe evening or what have you. Whatever time zone you're at. I want to wish you well, and I hope this finds you in good condition, good shape. Spiritual and physical well-being is tip-top. Okay, so I'd like to welcome you once again. I'm gonna go ahead and slap on the first song that I got set up here. Once again, laman bangam tasang guest la me broadcast ko live ikat la ki pelche lusom la ikek la kasao. Unna wo so ikek la lang kasao. suona akong tagani pakla yumadan kat. Here's a live shot of what it looks like outside. Beautiful, beautiful day today. All day it's been really beautiful, sunshiny. Ağam degani proyla ki pelsinge katfaletlar global lab ki langsilom na şiş global lab ki pagote na kwa kubushi makumakie inkanakin shiwo yemolas fin felse inge global lab ki man kwashi makum akwe ka ke molas ni ki pelse inge kachuni kan Friday se inge katenarela rek malas na shum tenarela ma fal ka ma hininak dinak fasya kum tena duinak shiwo ka akwe ka ke molas Tintalaikat läpäkin mä ainakin voisin kat siakostain kat siinä ja lähfunglassa siinä koopanen kat roilammaa ti falnakin akkuaklun päällä. Näs kalvunin wikat kalvunin tollakin siers. Etsingan mä tällöin in wikatin karingin katin kain akien syskitin tao. Mä täysin kain alena akilena me vuoka me falkitin raa. Peänä kuvain muuta sin kain sang ak metalli ka ak vuoji. Muullarsi mutom. Kyllä malla päivä täytyy maa vuosi on maa kielessä. Näs mitse luuma uiapäki pelsi ingiang päänä sympää. Tällä kattokani kaife kun min uikat kaiwa. Kärsä luski maa niin vuosi maa lorsaske. Maa upeeko aina sie. Maa semmoista maati färski akkuaklu malan fälla semma. Aklu shonding muulalus kyllä kaife kun min näs. Tytikat kaiwa krinkai ne samkum la kumpa. Finns si fanna las kun bakka si fanna kumpa lalmen si fanna mainna kitin me färske ko karingin kitin me orain kain sangakin si uye kum babam dalgat kulo malappe ke uye ka singi kita parna sumba kumin uye ka di maslon finns las ke au singa kulo malappe Aku ku ngon sama ku mesin sispe kirin kain ak fasi ka mokle masih magre foskan kiningin na manas lela kirin kain makan posisel mong fuses kirin akelin lawang ni talar sifena kumpa fal kitin re malasa kirin in kain kaksakin kum ka akalem lakat ita game kat lalfung game na nas wika lela kitin raw rek mak fakla mama kain sang katwek mulan meta inte kanaus Lomala pa tal ya kita silba na palma sungkun wikat los na kewa siya ma oya ma shiro los inas makin ka in hakelin na kum meta kumashin na kewa na mainin na las kirin ka in shot na shum lalfungi kum la maani kewa siya ma kumaki ke mo la sa wangin tafong leke akut kulumala kita silba na kafe Pasla mama karina kagat kaifa sungke yoklikina kewa pa amtal ore malasha inka in akin siwe kum gidin kai nakostain ki mama siya katita fal kidinara insa ngakuye nashos na sungka kilo mala pa amtal kalwani in fakulo kaksakin kum ki maani ki wasya makum akin siwe mo las ke kat pray fakulo ke ni man itum siyos kas metlang las kat pray alena sila klak pray sila kangati tola menga salka
This
kailangan may orang relaxin may pangaklaki belching. Wow, what's going on? Stream. Sorry.